the adaptability of the team or the software team and as well as the management of the team. So that we saw very good adaptability on that side. Secondly, the experience, not exactly from the industry but somewhere nearby to the industry, was good enough. So on those came down to the shortlisting. We have got a good support in terms of implementation because they were always available, accessible, whenever, even from my more important.
When we met with the sfHawk team, we were really impressed with their expertise, their support. Their support system is very fantastic, and their problem solving approach is very very well.
sfHawk team is a wonderful team है sir. जैसे कि at any moment they are giving full support at any time, at any day.
User friendly working is very important as far as operative is concerned, and this system is very user friendly for operators. They can easily operate the system. And
so with this sfHawk and IoT implementation, what we have got is now we are able to take the real-time decisions as far as PPC, production, some cases quality as well. This we are.
ताकि मैं अलग मेरे काम पे मैं ज़्यादा फोकस कर सकूँ. पहले कैसे 8 घंटे के बाद कैलकुलेशन करता हूँ, उसको 8 घंटे के बाद समझ में आता था. Now it is live दिखता है कि मेरा परफॉर्मेंस कहाँ ला.
Effectively it will be 10 to 11%, 12%. It should be there. Our calculation was around 7 to 8 months with tangible and intangible benefits, and we are getting there. When it says sfHawk, we can say yes, whatever we were planning to reach in next 4-5 years, maybe now we can reach in maybe 3.5 years. Using that technology, we can definitely increase our speed of going to that target. A good accessible team with adaptable mindset and a good technology. The most important thing is what I could see in entire system was this system is adaptable for two-way communication. So I can start communicating back from sfHawk to machine as well and machine to sfHawk as well. Similarly, we have done it from sfHawk to our ERP system also and ERP to sfHawk also. I have seen this system growing and I know that this system is very strong enough. It can handle the situation of tomorrow. So I would say it is a good system for tomorrow. It can run for longer age.
For real-time monitoring, there are many solution providers in the market today. But how sfHawk stands, different from the others is their capability or readiness for the customization as per the customer requirement. Basically, these kind of solutions or products which are available in the market today, what they do is they try to sell their standard product to the market, whereas sfHawk has always shown their willingness to customize their product as per our requirement. And that is why we certainly will have a long-term association with sfHawk.